Today we have a desk that my wife had for many, many years. And about 5 years ago we moved, and in that process, the desk got destroyed. Needless to say, my wife wasn't very happy about that, and I promised her I'd fix it one day. Well, today's the day. For the first time in 20 years, I get to work on a piece that I'm excited about, which is very cool. We have a situation where these two legs got completely broke. This one has been broke and repaired. So I'm going to make new legs for this one, and this one. This one is still good. Understanding that this piece of furniture really isn't worth that much money, it has a lot of value to my wife. So I wanted to preserve it. It is an old piece. I'm going to cut all these pieces out and hope it don't fall apart. First thing I want to do is try to remove this top so that I can get into these corners a little bit better with destroying it. I don't know if I'll get the top off or not, but that's the goal. So I got the whole top cut loose. Had to cut across the back here to break some nails that they had. They put a few nails in this. I'm a little surprised. They did do the dowel construction on it, but they still used a few nails, so I had to cut through them. And now we should be able to take this top right off. There we go. All right. We have the top off. Now we have something that we can work with.